Good afternoon, Mr. Hashim. We are from Section 16. My name is Zhun, and my teammates are Ming, Haoyang, and Chermyn. Today we'll be presenting our research proposal. Our topic is a study of work environment and employee satisfaction in five-star hotels within Malaysia. Our background of research is that hotels are major businesses in a country as it supports the tourism industry, providing accommodation, services, as well as profit and employment to the citizens. As mentioned in the report, in 2016, there was a total of 12% of employment for the nation and 13.5% of contribution of hotels to the GDP. Besides that, hotels are also a platform to implement a good first impression to tourists that visits Malaysia, while it supports sustainable economic growth, which means that it provides opportunity for future customers. As the business is mostly catalyzed by customer satisfaction, which service is the main product given by employees, as well as the facilities, an observation was done towards Richard Branson's businesses as it relates that employee satisfaction proves a positive effect to the services provided, which end product is customer satisfaction. Moving on will be our research objectives and questions. Our objective is to investigate the correlation between hotel working environments and employee satisfaction, as well as to identify factors of how employee satisfaction affects customer satisfaction. Our questions are, how does the relationship between employees and their working environment affect employee satisfaction? What are the factors of employee satisfaction that can affect? What are the methods to improve the work environment for better employee satisfaction? A problem statement is that there are high labor demand and communication that is needed to avoid employee burnout and labor turnover, as well as the increase in employee satisfaction can lead to productivity and loyalty, while low job satisfaction increases the rate of absenteeism. As task identities also impact employees, there is a potential factor that affects interaction between employees and customers, which could potentially affect the customer satisfaction. Lastly, social leadership style and supervision and the relationship between employers can affect the employee's efficiency. The benefits of the research is to identify factors that can improve employee satisfaction through working environment, as well as to improve customer satisfaction through effects on employee satisfaction. Next on would be our literature review. Employee satisfaction. Job satisfaction, which is a bundle of emotion and is essential for employee motivation and encouragement for improved performance. It is a set of psychological, physiological, and environmental conditions. And failure to achieve possible outcomes would be the lack of ownership for their work, such as insecurity in their working environment, lacking rights in opinion, and uncooperation with co-workers. There could also be a lack in productivity and resources, as if employee satisfaction is low, the business will have to accommodate on working on how to improve the employee satisfaction. Therefore, a win-win situation is favorable, as if the company provides employee which increases their satisfaction, it benefits the company by providing more profit and reducing time of fixing the failures of not giving employees the satisfaction they want. Next would be our working environment. The working environment consists of the activities involved in the task, the responsibility of each subtask, a sense of achievement, and the intrinsic value of a task. It revolves around job security, positive co-worker relations, recognition of good performance, and participation. It also affects the sense of importance and ownership of the employees in the company. Next on, I'll be passing it to Ming.
I'm Ming, and I'm going to present about the literature review of relationship of working environment and employee satisfaction. The main factors that affect relationship of working environment and employee satisfaction are the employees' work hours as well as communication between employees and management. Other than those main points, there are three other factors that play a part in employee satisfaction, which are physical, psychological, as well as environmental factors. Firstly, environmental and physical factors include lighting, sound, as well as air quality. Daylighting and natural lighting is proven to help employees focus and increase their productivity through being comfortable with the environment. Noise is one of the other major disturbances to employees, and studies have shown that it can cause a 40% reduction of performance, as well as a 27% in increase of errors of the employees. Other than that, there's air quality. It can be a temperature, humidity, as well as airflow. Anything too high or too low for the human comfort can lead to reduction of performance. Lastly, for psychological, the employees' recognition for success. This is where employees gain satisfaction when they are being listened to, recognized, and respected by everyone, including their managers, as well as anyone higher or lower than them. Next, I'll pass it on to Chermyn.
For the employee satisfaction and customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction should reflect to the customer satisfaction, which is the big rule for the hotel. Maintaining a good employee can help the hotel to build a good reputation and obtain customer loyalty. For the employee and the customer, they are the important assets for a hotel. Customer satisfaction is created by an employee who are efficiency and loyal to the company. And employee to the company depends on their satisfaction with the company. This is the basic long-term development for the business to grow. A satisfied employee will provide the same service to the customer. Lastly, satisfied employee can bring a positive energy which satisfied the customer needs, gain hotel brand image, and also improve the hotel efficiency. For the next one, I will pass it to Haoyang.
Hi, I'm Haoyang. There are four factors of employee satisfaction that can affect customer satisfaction. The first one is reliability. Customers generally value the efficiency of check-in and check-out, the reputation of the hotel, and the service skills of the staff. If hotel can organize properly and fulfill every employee's promise and pay attention to what they need, it will result in customers and also provide customers the same service they received from the hotel. The second one is empathy. Customers are the core empathy. They want to have unique and comfortable service. Hotel should put them as their first place. And employees need to understand the requirements and the needs from different guests in detail. The third one is assurance. The assurance can define an employee's knowledge, comfortable environment, their availability to transfer confidence and trust to customers. Assurance also means by making customers feel safe while staying in the hotel. The hotel staff are trustable and the staff is able to provide information to guests. This shows how an employee respects the customer at the same time. They were willing to learn new things by confidently and friendly ways to provide customer needs. The fourth one is working atmosphere. The atmosphere of workplace affects employees' satisfaction. A relaxed and happy atmosphere is conducive to employees to actively engage in work. Therefore, customers can enjoy more high quality and comfortable service, making customers feel comfortable and increasing the satisfaction. In addition, comfortable and luxurious hardware equipment and a good working relationship can increase the atmosphere. Okay, next one is methodology.
Lastly, for the methodology of the survey, is through a stratified sampling, which is a quantitative method. Out of 111 five-star hotels in Malaysia, only 15 is chosen as our sampling. These hotels are strategically chosen through two cities to represent the central of Malaysia, which is Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya. One to represent the northern area of Pulau Pinang, as well as the southern area, which would be Johor Bahru. From these selected hotels, Kuala Lumpur will be 9 of the 15 hotels. Pulau Pinang will take the next 3. Johor Bahru will have 2, as well as 1 for Cyberjaya. Each hotel will be given 15 questionnaires, 10 to any random employee, as well as 5 to any managerial level or above. In the questionnaire, a nominal skill will be used for getting their demographic profile. Secondly is the use of ordinal scale to get the employee's education level and ranking in hotel. And lastly, a 5-point interval scale is used for the 3 main constructs of the study. These main constructs are the working environment, employee satisfaction, as well as hotel performance. Next. For the analysis, the data is coded into the SPSS statistics software by IBM. Data is ran through the same software. The methods of running the statistics is through t-test for 2 sets of data and ANOVA for anything above 2 sets of data at different points of time. Lastly, multiple regression is used as well for correlating variables. We target a combat alpha of at least 0.7 to 0.9 to prove that the test is valid. Through this analysis, we can use the validity of the analysis to prove our hypothesis, and we will bring it to the conclusion. That's it. Thank you.